Greetings, I'm Musik, and it's such a pleasure to have you in my studio. In today's session, we'll delve right into the fascinating world of color, exploring the diverse palette that Degas likely employed in his artwork. So, before we continue, I just wanted to remind you that these are my thoughts of how Degas might have painted. So if I were to reproduce or do an original in his style, these are the steps that I would take. So if you're ready, let's start. Okay, so before I talk about Degas' color palette, I wanted to just quickly go over the color wheel with you. Now this is just a basic information. So I wanted to start off with our primary colors. So the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Okay, so what happens is that when you mix two primaries, you're going to get a secondary color, and one of them would be an orange, and another would be green, and also another would be purple. Okay, so these are your secondary colors. Again, one is orange. Okay, green is another one, and also purple. Okay, now complementary means that a set of colors are complements to each other, but there is a reason for why they're complementary towards each other. For example, green and red, these two colors would be complementary to each other because the way you make green is with the use of blue and yellow, which are primaries. The only color that's missing, that's not used, is a red. So the red would become a complement to the green. So green and red would be complementary. Now, the other set of colors would be blue and orange. Why is blue a complement to orange? Because in orange, the way you make that color is with the use of red and yellow. So what's missing? Blue. So that's why blue becomes the complement of orange. So now we have blue plus orange, and these two colors become complement. Now, yellow and purple are complement. Why? Because the way you make purple is with the use of blue, which is a primary color, and red, which is another primary color. That will give you purple if you mix those two together. But what's left that's not being used, that's a primary, that's yellow. So yellow becomes the complement of purple. So let's put purple, and yellow together. Some of the colors that he used were oranges, blues, purples, yellows, reds, and greens, with browns, greens, and grays often dominating his artwork. Degas approached his craft with a dedicated spirit of experimentation, utilizing an extensive array of drawing implements and mediums such as graphite, chalk, Conte crayons, charcoal, and soft pastels. Well, that's about it with this video on Degas colors. And also, I want to invite you to watch our next video, which I will be giving you a quick demonstration on how Degas might have painted. So once again, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy painting. Bye!